What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally threw some rims on a track hawk. Not only that, man, we also took a ride in my guy Corey SSG Blue Box, man. If you guys haven't checked out those videos, man, make sure you head over to the YouTube channel. Go check those out after this video, man. Meanwhile, man, we are back in the garage. It's finally time to get some stuff going. Here in the garage today, I think we're going to be working on a few bikes or so, getting something loaded up and just getting everything 100%. Meanwhile, the bike that's heading to ACL, we want to get that 100% today too. Then we're going to freaking be loading up our green and blue Road Glide. We're going to be taking that to the shop so they can fix the transmission on that. When we get there, we'll be picking up the CVO, bringing that back, getting that thing 100% so we can drop that thing off to Paula in Jacksonville, Florida, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole giveaway, man, you guys know it is live right now, man. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go copy your Everything Regular wallet. The wallets are only $35 to be entered in for something great. Now, you guys ask, what's great? Well, here you are, man. We got our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck, the bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special, man. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a matching Hellcat and a bike for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, we got our Road Glide up for grabs. Now, I don't know which Road Glide I want to put up, either the blue and green one or the blue and yellow one. More than anything, man, it will be a first, second, and third place bike, along with a truck for first place and along with a Hellcat for second place, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either of these Jones, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go support your boy Everything Regular by buying the Everything Regular wallet. Because you never know, man, it could be you next. We could be pulling up to your door with one of these bikes. You could be coming out here taking delivery of this truck and the bike on the back, and you could be taking delivery of the Hellcat. We could probably try to mount up a trailer or something, man, so you don't got to figure out all the oohs and ahs, man, behind that. But meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get up in the garage and check it out, gang. Yes, sir, man. We haven't been in here in literally a whole week. I just took this bike off the freaking jack stand, and I'm actually feeling a lot better, y'all. The last few days, I really just been pushing it, but I actually took a rest, a breather yesterday, man. So feeling a little better, but we got the bikes to freaking take care of, man. So I can't wait. It's time to go up, What it is, man.
Man, how the fuck you get this?
Bro, you just now seeing my coloring book?
My son coloring in it right now, and he was coloring, he showing me to me.
Hey, that's lit.
I looked at he was coloring something. And I looked at it, everything's regular. I said, hold on, let me see that.
Yeah, man. You know, I got my daughter in, so I was trying to have something for her to work with while I be working in. So it was just something different.
Yeah, when you pull up, you gotta put me on there, boy. Shit.
Bro, you remember I told you about the lady I wanted you to talk to her so you could write your book?
Oh, yeah.
She helped me with that. Like, my mom got a whole book, like, front cover to cover, a big read. Like, I'm telling you, we can get that shit done ASAP.
Bro, but we need to do this. Hey, this is hard.
Good looking, gang.
They got you, they got the fights in there for truck, but this shit.
Come on, gang.
Nah.
We got to be different, man. We got to step outside the circle.
All the way outside the circle.
Yeah, no, for sure. It's good.
No, but yeah, nigga, let me know you put it up with you whenever you come out of there, whatever, man. I just caution, man. I gotta see where the hell he get this from, man. It's hard.
Yeah, nah, it's good. I'll pull up on you in a few hours or so, gang.
I bet.
All right, man. Y'all see it there first, man. Corey, son over there coloring the Everything's Regular book, man. So y'all go get your Everything Regular coloring books right now while you can, man. They live. But like I was saying, man, we got to load this thing up on the truck now. Actually, we got to load both of these bikes up. This bike, I'm going to have to push, but it's so freaking clean and new. I'm not trying to drop it and scratch it or nothing like that, man. So this one right here, I'm definitely going to be loading this one up so we can get this one tackled and we can knock some people heads off out here in Texas because it's time to get that show on the road. Meanwhile, our 2021 CVO, we just got to put the rear wheel on there. And what else we got to do? Probably switch the bars on it, get the bags 100%. Really no big deal. Honestly, that one's ready to go. And then last but not least, our freaking ATL bike. We found our taillights for this bike. Remember when they sent both of the taillights, one of them didn't work, so I had to go buy a whole nother set, and that set was in LA, so I actually finally got that set here. We'll be plugging that up today and getting this bike 100% ready to head out of here, man. So I can't wait. It's time to go. Yay. Y'all see what time it is, man. It's a movie. All right, man, so first things first, I think I'm gonna actually load that blue and green one up. That was gonna be the easiest one to get done and out of here. So we're gonna pull this truck out, load that bike up, park the truck on the street, get these bikes situated, and then we'll probably go drop off this bike and go pick up our other CVO. Meanwhile, man, I'm trying to have a transporter come pick this one up so we can drop them both off at the same time. But I don't know, man, we'll just see. All right, man. Let's get this bad boy cranked up, man. Let's get her cranked up. Big Daddy. Big Daddy. Big Daddy coming out, man. She ain't got no power. I don't even see how she's standing on. She ain't got no power right now, y'all. That's crazy. Lights is flickering. Actually, I think this was a broken headlight. We still gotta switch this headlight out though. Let's get her loaded up. Just like that, we got that blue and green thing loaded up. Now this battery on this bike is so freaking super dead. I had to put the battery pack on there just to get it like up the trailer, man. So now that that's done and situated, that's nothing but a drop off and drop and pick up type of thing. So I'm actually about to see what else we can get done in the garage here before we even leave. Just because I know that ride is like an hour there, hour back. A whole bunch of our day is gonna be gone by the time we get back, man. So let's see what we can get done up in here, man. Alrighty, so now that we got that thing loaded up, we got this blue and yellow thing pushed back into the corner. I'm actually about to pull this 2020 out, man. This thing has been staring me in the face for like 2-3 months now. And you guys know this is probably one of the more complex bikes we got to put back together, literally, because we got like no screws for it, none of that. So it's literally just finding screws in our bucket that match up and going for it, man. So we'll see what we can do. I'm sure we got every screw for it. It's like it's just a matter of finding everything over there in that bucket. But hey, we're going to have to do it one day or another. It might as well be today. I ain't going to even hold y'all. I don't got no screws to put this freaking saddlebag support bracket on there. I got the side for this, but I just hate piecing stuff together, man. So I'm actually going to Harley Davidson, get the screws for it and everything for the rear. Meanwhile, I think I'll be able to at least tackle the front a little bit, get our freaking new neck piece on there so we can at least get the inner and outer fairing on there. And then we can probably switch out this ignition right now as well. This is like the main thing that's holding me back. Other than that, we should be good to go, man. So I guess we'll be working on our front end right now. Alrighty, guys, I know it still looks the same, but we got our brakes switched out. Still got to get this one switched out, get a brand new one for that if we don't got it over there. Meanwhile, we did get our front neck piece on, so we'll be able to hold our inner and outer fairing on there. Then we got our inner fairing right here. I just have to put some speaker covers or some speaker boxes on these things and some gauges on here and the radio, and we should be good. So gauges, speakers, radio. I don't even know if I have the gauges or not, but we might be even able to get this thing on there and just check it out in the meantime. Alrighty, guys, next day here early as heck. We've been up since like maybe 3-something this morning. Ended up hopping in our truck and went to go pick up our blue and yellow Road Glide, man. That thing has started, runs and rides again, and it's back to like 100%. So we're on our way to the house. We're about to offload this thing and probably take it on the first ride, just enjoy it for a little bit. So we'll check this one out. Then we got our gas tank or our CVO back there. We'll go to the gas station after we get some food real quick and go fill that thing up so we can try to get a first ride on that too. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get back to the crib and check it out. Alrighty, guys, just made it back to the crib. We're about to get this thing offloaded and ready to go, man. Y'all see what it is. That Big Daddy ready to shine. Meanwhile, now that we did make it back to the house, man, this battery is totally shot. That battery's totally shot, and that battery's totally shot. So I gotta go get a brand new freaking battery for this thing. And we already hopped in the truck this morning, so I think I'm gonna take the Trackhawk to go pick up this battery, man. Let's throw this battery up in here and let's slide, gang. Alrighty, we got that Big Daddy ready to go. Eyelids on there. Swag. Got our camera ready to go. Y'all gonna slide with me today, gang. It's up. Alrighty, guys. We finally got the blue and yellow Road Glide back home. We got it all fixed up. So you guys remember before we took it, it didn't have no shifter on it, no heel toe, And then this little piece back here was broke, so we took it to our guy. He got us fixed quick, fast, and in a hurry. All we gotta do now is get a freaking horn for this thing, put the turn signals on the front, and hook up our tail lights in the back. But all in all, I'm gonna take this thing around the block real quick, test it out, and even hear this thing, man. So we're gonna start this bad boy up with y'all. Let's see what we got. Alrighty, man. It's time to slide. It's time to slide, man. Let's hope we don't break nothing on this first ride, man. Let's hope we don't break nothing on this first ride. Let's see what we got, gang. And I did put the helmet together, gang. It's time to slide, gang. It's up. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you, brother. That motherfucker flew off. And just like that, man, we done made it back home. I almost lost my GoPro and everything, but this is definitely a fun ride, man. We gotta add some more power to this thing. It's not fast enough for my liking at all. Literally, I can't even enjoy this bike because it ain't fast enough, but we will get it there, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular wallet and you'll be entered in for a chance to win, man. 35 big ones can win you this joint right here. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. We did a whole lot of stuff today, but more than ever, man, we got everything in the garage situated, a whole lot of stuff back from the shop, so I can't wait to tackle that here in the next couple days, man. Meanwhile, we did get our Trackhawk put in the garage, got all our bikes pulled in right now. We even got our Hellcat over there, man. So we just wanted to pack it in and see if it could honestly fit. So now that it fits, we know that we got more room to work with, man. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole Ooh and Ah giveaway, you guys know what time it is. We're giving away our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our 2021 matching CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. Yes, man, the Hellcat and the bike. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a bike for second place. Meanwhile, third place, we got our Road Glide special up for grabs. Now, I don't know if I want to put the blue and green one up or the blue and yellow one up. You guys let me know which one you guys want in the comments below. Meanwhile, man, we got first, second, and third place. You guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get you an Everything Regular wallet. It's $35, man. All it takes is a little bit of support, and you guys never know. It could be you next week. Could be pulling up to Yodo on one of these bikes, or you could be coming out here to Houston taking delivery of this truck and this bike, or this wide body Hellcat and a bike as well, man. If you guys haven't already, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a wallet while you can. In the meantime, I'm about to get up in here, get dressed, and get situated. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. It's all love. At the end of the day, prepare today for success tomorrow. I'll see you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.